In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile number to Steam account. Connecting your phone number adds an extra layer of security, makes account recovery easier, and keeps you informed about important account activity. I'll walk you through the process on the desktop client, but it looks very similar on the website. Start by opening Steam and signing in. On the main screen, look to the top right and click your account name. If you don't see it, make sure the window is maximized or that you're not in big picture mode. Clicking your account name opens a small menu. From there, click Account Details. This is the hub where you can manage contact information, security settings, and store preferences. On the Account Details page, locate the section that covers your contact info and security. Click Add Phone Number. If you already have a number linked, you'll see options to change or remove it instead. If the button isn't immediately visible, scroll a bit. It's typically near other sign-in and protection options. Next, select your international format. This simply means choosing your country from the drop-down, so the correct country code, like +1, +44, or 61, is applied automatically. Picking the right country ensures your number is stored correctly and can receive messages reliably. After selecting the country code, enter the rest of your number. Don't include the leading 0. Some countries use at the start of local numbers and avoid spaces, dashes, or special symbols. Use a mobile number that can receive SMS text messages and that you plan to keep active. It's best to avoid temporary or internet-only numbers since they may not handle verification messages consistently. Now, enter your number and click Next. Take a moment to double-check every digit before proceeding. Steam will guide you with on-screen prompts to finish the process. If anything looks off, use the back option to correct it. If you don't see a prompt right away, give it a moment and make sure you have good signal or data service before trying again. Once the process completes, your mobile number will be linked to your account. That's it. You've added your phone number, making your Steam account safer and easier to manage. If your number ever changes, return to account details to update or remove it. For even stronger protection, you can explore additional security features available in the same area when you're ready. Thanks for watching and take care of your account security.